Well, hello everybody. Yes, it's me again, that fella from Chesterfield. But you know who I am, don't you? Yes, you do. Right. It was one of them mornings this morning that it was sunny, and then it was cloudy, and then it was sunny, and then it was cloudy, and the weather just didn't know what to do, and I didn't know what to do. So I thought, well, it's muck or nettles, isn't it? Muck or nettles. Yeah, so I've bit the bullet and I've come out for a ride out, and just hoping, whoop, very bumpy there, just hoping that the weather holds. I think it'll be dry, but the trouble is it might get overcast. But you can't have it always, can you? No, you can't. So I'm ooh, like a fly in the eye then. Shut the visor. Yes, I'm testing out the camera. I've mounted a camera, as you can see, on the windscreen, and I wanted to come out and test it, and I wanted to test my new mounting on here, this camera on the front, on the helmet, because this is my new helmet setup and I want to get it right. So I hope I've got the angle about right. I'm thinking at that it should be right, and when I glance down I'll probably pick the dashboard up, I'm hoping. So who knows, but the helmet's very comfy, very comfortable. It's a lot better than the old one, but I've only had it on for what, 20 minutes, so it's early days yet. And look at this, look at the weather. Yeah, when the sun's shining it's absolutely beautiful. I'm steaming up. I don't know why. I'll just pull up in a minute. I'll just pull up here, there's nothing about. I'm not familiar with the vents and everything on this helmet. Let me have a look. So I've got a vent, it's behind there, that's it. So if I do that, yeah, I can operate the vent. I'll put the vent down so I'm getting some fresh air into the helmet. See if that improves it. We don't want to be fogged up. Oh, yes, I know what I didn't do. I didn't switch my headset on. Let me do that. Pull up again. Come on, Kev, get yourself sorted out. Hey? What you like? Right, so the headset is on this side, and let me find the knob. Long press. Oh, it says it's connected. Oh, I've got a little ladybird there. Come on, mate. I don't want you coming off at 50 mile an hour, do I? Off you go into the grass. That's it. Right. So, I've got my phone connected now, and I can hear through the speakers. I've not tried music or anything, or the sat nav, but I could hear it then, okay, so it should be fine. Right, come on, let's go. Messing about. Hey! Yes, this morning. It was just one of them mornings. And I'm going mad here, sat in the house. I want to get out. Get on that bike. I've been scrolling through bikes for sale, and you know, nothing inspires me. Nothing. I mean, this thing, it just does everything I want it to do. I get moaned at, I do, because I've only got one bike. I mean, most blokes especially that are into the bikes, they've got a blinking garage full, haven't they? But I just can't see anything. Nothing sparks my imagination. Right, so we're out of Chesterfield. I'm going to right or left? Yeah, I can't go straight on, I'll go left. Well, just try a bit of high speed and see how the wind is. Whoa, anchor up, Kev, anchor up. Yeah. See what the wind noise is like in this helmet. Well, I got it up to the maximum speed limit there pretty quickly. And it didn't sound too bad to me, but I won't know till I get back and replay the footage, will I? And that's just cleared his pipes out. So on the whole, I'm quite pleased with my helmet setup now. Yes, very pleased with it. I just need to get it on the computer now and see it on the big screen and see what it comes out like. Thanks for joining me again, and if you'd like to help the channel, just press the like and the subscribe button, and don't forget to join me again for another ride out to who knows where. So that's all for now. Bye bye now. Ta ta. Ta ta.